Good morning students. I hope now you all have understood the different breathing organs through which living things breathe. Today I am going to discuss the next feature of living things, that is living things feel. Now open your book on page 9. First I will discuss the term of this topic, that is sense organs, organs that give us sensation. Now let's start reading. Surprisingly, even with your eyes closed, you will be able to identify all the objects. Underline word surprisingly and write its meaning amazingly. Then underline word objects and write its meaning things. Now next paragraph. When you feel cold, you wear warm clothes. When you feel hot, you sit under a fan. When you touch a hot object, you pull your hand quickly. You can smell food being cooked in the kitchen. Students, we all respond to the things that happen around us. We all wear jackets, gloves and caps in winter season to keep ourselves warm. Also, we used to sit in front of air coolers and fans when we feel hot. And children, by mistake when we touch a hot frying pan, we suddenly pull our hand back as it feels hot. We also feel pain when we fall from stairs and bicycle. Now, next paragraph. Nose, eyes, ears, skin and tongue are sense organs. They help us to feel things around us. Students, we all feel things around us because of our 5 sense organs. Nose helps us to smell, eyes helps us to see, ears help us to listen, skin helps us to feel and tongue helps us to taste. And students, you know that skin is the largest sense organ of our body. Now come along. Animals also feel. A dog wags its tail when it sees its master. A cat can smell a mouse. Underline word wags and write its meaning moves to and fro. Now underline word master and write its meaning owner. Students, like us, animals also feel. They also have sense organs. Like a dog sits in a cool place on a hot summer day, and the buffaloes also sits in a pond to make themselves feel good. Birds search their food with the help of their sense organs. Plants do not have sense organs, but they also feel the things around them. The leaves of a touch-me-not plant folds up when touched. Students, plants also feel things around them. They feel fresh when we water them. Touch-me-not plant is an example that shows plants also feel. It folds its leaves when we touch them. Now, next paragraph. If your doll falls down from chair, does it cry? No, because it is a non-living thing and non-living things do not feel. Students, your doll does not cry when it falls down from chair, and also when you sharpen your pencil, It does not cry because they are non-living things and they do not feel. So we can say that living things like animals, insects and human beings feel, and non-living things like books, dolls, pencils and your toys do not feel. Now let's revise. Name the 5 sense organs: nose, eyes, ears, tongue and skin. Number 2. Name the plant that folds its leaves when touched. Touch me not plant or mimosa plant folds its leaves when touched. Why does a pencil not cry when you sharpen it? A pencil does not cry when we sharpen it, as it is a non-living thing. Students, tomorrow I will continue with the next topic. Till then, read the chapter and revise questions and terms. Thank you.